welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be making some absolutely delicious smash burgers along with some delicious french fries. Now, in order to have a delicious burger, we're going to be making our own homemade mayo. Now, I got an egg. This is at room temperature. And then I got my immersion blender. You can use a food processor. And then I do have some avocado oil. Now, this is a neutral tasting oil. You can use olive oil if you like, but some people say that it's overpowering. And you want to add this in a little bit at a time. Now, this is a time lapse, but it doesn't take long to make this mayo recipe. Add in a little bit of sugar. And then we got some Dijon mustard along with some apple cider vinegar. Then I added an additional egg with some avocado oil. Now we're in the game. Now I got a russet potato. Then I got my french fry cutter. You got to get one if you don't have, but it's absolutely easy if you want to make your own french fries, cut them by hand. But after that, take these through, get all the small pieces out. Now I'm gonna soak these in water for about 30 minutes or so while I get everything else prepared. And then we're gonna let this sit, get some of that starch out. And after it sits for about 30 minutes, we're going to put it on a paper towel, and then we're going to pat these dry. And then after that, we got our oil heated up 320, and then we're going to place these french fries in this oil, and we're going to let this cook until it becomes like slightly brown. And then when it shows like a slight brown, you want to go ahead and remove them and then do the rest of your batches. Now, once your initial batches are done, you want to heat your oil up about 350, 360, and then you're going to cook these the rest of the way. Now, when they come, like a rusted brown like this right here, then you in the game. You got some absolutely delicious fries. So all you got to do is drain that grease off, and I'm using some Cajun seasoning. Now, some people may hit it with that Lawry's or some salt and pepper will absolutely do it. I got some 80-20 ground beef, and I'm just rolling these out to 4 equal sections. This is about a pound's worth, so you got quarter pound, balls of 80-20. Now you see that mayo right here after 30 minutes. Look at that consistency. Now we're going to use that mayo to toast these buns. Now we got that Blackstone griddle heated up, and then we're going to get these toasted. And look at this right here, perfectly toasted buns. Now I'm gonna tell you, if you're making burgers, man, just make sure that you're toasting those buns. Now we're gonna put these patties down, and like I said, these are smash burgers, so we gotta smash these down. And get you some parchment paper. I got these from Dollar Tree. You can get these from Amazon. I'm gonna link some in my description box below. And then you smash this down, and you want to get some nice contact because you're gonna get a nice crust on the bottom of these burgers, and you're gonna be in the absolute game. And then you got to season these burgers. So we're going in simple seasoning, salt and pepper. And really that's all that you need, salt and pepper, and you in the game. Now you can get fancy if you like. This is your show, this is your kitchen, this is your griddle. So you can do whatever you like. But again, salt and pepper, that's all that you really need. With a couple minutes, we're going to give these a flip, and you can see that nice sear and that crust that's on the back side of that burger. And you in the game, fam. Now again, we're going to follow those same steps. Gotta season these burgers, so we're going back in with that salt and pepper. And fam, I'm going to tell you, these burgers are absolutely delicious. They're going to be juicy. And like I said, I got you in the game. Look at that right there. You see that sizzling. I got some cheddar cheese. Now I'm making 2 styles. Now I got some Swiss cheese, and we're gonna go on the other. Now we're gonna let this cook, for additional couple minutes until that cheese starts melting. And then we're gonna stack these burgers, and then we're gonna let them cook, just for a little while, about 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, that cheese melts. Look at that right there. You in the game, fam. Juicy burgers. And all you got to do now is assemble these smash burgers. Now you see that perfectly toasted buns. Now we got that homemade mayo. And you in the game, fam. Get that mayo, slathered on that bottom bun. Now I got me some green leaf lettuce. And then we going in with some tomatoes. Now this is going to be like a traditional burger. So we going in with some pickles. And then we're going to hit this other one with some jalapenos. This is going to be like a little angry Swiss burger there. So we got that Swiss smash burger, and then we got that cheddar smash burger right there. Add a little bit of onions, and then, like I said, classic. You got some ketchup, and then we got some mustard. And then on this other one, because it's my angry custom burger, we're going to add some barbecue sauce. Top that bad boy off with his hat, and then you in the game. Now we got those fries. Just stack those fries up however you like. And then look at that right there. You got your double smash burgers. You in the game also with those delicious double fried fries. Look at that right there. That's that Swiss angry smash burger. Now fam, that is absolutely delicious. Then we got that double fried French fry. Now that is absolutely amazing, fam. So if you're new to this channel and you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Now for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into these burgers and these fries, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.